Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we are going to go over how to turn your daily routine into passive income streams. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over leveraging technology and building a brand. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Introduction, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change the way you think about your daily routines. Have you ever considered how your everyday activities could be transformed into passive income streams? In this video, we'll explore practical strategies that allow you to earn money while you sleep, all by leveraging the habits and routines you already have in place. We'll cover various methods from monetizing hobbies to utilizing technology that can help you create a steady flow of income with minimal ongoing effort. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or simply someone looking to boost your financial freedom, this video is designed for you. Get ready to discover effortless strategies that empower you to take control of your finances. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights that can help you turn your daily life into a source of income. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's embark on this journey towards financial empowerment together. Identifying daily activities. To kick off our journey toward passive income, let's explore how you can identify daily activities that can be monetized. Start by taking a moment to list out your daily tasks and routines. What do you do every day that you might not even think twice about? This could be anything from cooking meals, crafting, or even sharing your expertise in a particular field. Once you have your list, look for activities that can be transformed into income-generating opportunities. For instance, if you enjoy cooking, consider starting a food blog or offering meal prep services. If you're passionate about fitness, think about creating online workout videos or coaching sessions. Recognizing the value in your everyday actions is crucial. Often, we underestimate the skills and knowledge we possess. By viewing your daily routines through a different lens, you can uncover hidden potential for income. Remember, the key is to find joy in what you do while also creating opportunities for financial growth. So, grab that list and let's start turning your daily activities into a source of income. Leveraging technology. In today's digital age, technology plays a pivotal role in facilitating passive income generation. Let's explore some innovative apps and platforms that can help automate your income streams. For instance, platforms like Etsy or Amazon allow you to sell handmade goods or products without the need for constant oversight. Once your items are listed, they can generate income while you focus on other tasks. Social media is another powerful tool for marketing your passive income ideas. By sharing your journey, tips, and products on platforms like Instagram or Facebook, you can build an audience that's eager to engage with your content. This not only drives traffic to your income-generating activities, but also creates a community around your brand. Additionally, consider the growing demand for online courses and digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, creating an online course or ebook can provide a steady stream of income. Once developed, these products can be sold repeatedly with minimal effort. Embracing technology in these ways can significantly enhance your ability to generate passive income, making it easier than ever to achieve financial freedom. Creating digital products. Creating digital products is a fantastic way to generate passive income, and the possibilities are endless. Consider starting with ebooks, online courses, or printables. Ebooks allow you to share your knowledge on a specific topic, while online courses can provide a more interactive learning experience. Printables such as planners or worksheets are also popular and can cater to various niches. The process of creating and selling digital products online is straightforward. Begin by identifying a topic you're passionate about and that has market demand. Next, outline your content and create your product using tools like Canva for design or platforms like Teachable for courses. Once your product is ready, you can sell it through your website, Etsy, or other online marketplaces. One of the biggest benefits of digital products is scalability. Once created, you can sell them to an unlimited number of customers without additional production costs. Plus, the overhead costs are minimal since there's no need for physical inventory or shipping. This means you can focus on creating more products or enhancing your marketing strategies, all while enjoying the financial rewards of your efforts. Investing in income generating assets. Investing in income generating assets is a powerful way to create passive income and build long-term wealth. Let's explore some popular options including real estate, stocks, and dividend-paying investments. Real estate can provide rental income and appreciation over time, making it a solid choice for many investors. Stocks, particularly those that pay dividends, can offer regular income while also allowing for capital growth. Before diving in, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and understand market trends. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions and minimize risks. Look into the performance of different sectors, analyze property values, and stay updated on economic indicators that could affect your investments. If you're new to investing, don't feel pressured to go all in at once. Start small by investing in a few shares or a real estate investment trust, REIT, to get your feet wet. As you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually build your investment portfolio. Remember, the key to successful investing is patience and consistency, so take your time and watch your wealth grow over the years. Building a brand. Building a personal brand is essential for creating a foundation that supports passive income. The first step is establishing a strong online presence. This can be achieved through social media platforms, a personal website, or a blog where you share your expertise and passions. A well-defined brand helps you stand out in a crowded market and attracts an audience that resonates with your message. Consistency in content creation is key to maintaining engagement with your audience. Regularly posting valuable content not only keeps your followers interested, but also builds trust over time. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating interactive content. This connection fosters loyalty and encourages your audience to support your endeavors. As your brand grows, so does the potential for monetization. You can explore opportunities such as sponsorships, where companies pay you to promote their products, or affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for referring sales. By building a personal brand that reflects your values and expertise, you create a sustainable platform for generating passive income while doing what you love. Start today and watch your brand flourish. Conclusion: as we wrap up our discussion on turning daily routines into passive income, let's recap the key strategies we've covered. We explored how to identify daily activities that can be monetized, leverage technology to automate income streams, and created digital products that generate revenue. We also discussed the benefits of investing in income-generating assets and building a personal brand that supports your financial goals. The journey to financial empowerment begins with taking actionable steps. Whether it's starting small with digital products or investing in stocks, every effort counts. Remember, consistency and dedication are crucial as you work towards creating a sustainable income stream. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from these strategies. Together, we can empower each other to achieve financial freedom and make the most of our daily routines. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.